Garlic with cooked food. Did you know that simply chewing garlic along with your cooked meals can drastically improve your intimate health? Here's what the science on the board tells us. First, it acts as a libido and sexual drive boost, indirectly enhancing testosterone production and bringing back natural vitality. Second, it is a proven ally for erectile function and stamina support, working over time to enhance endothelial health and keep your stamina high. Third, garlic helps maintain hormonal balance, regulating crucial feedback loops so your body responds efficiently to hormones. Fourth, it dramatically optimizes blood flow and organ sensitivity, using nitric oxide to improve peripheral circulation where it matters most. And fifth, you get a massive antioxidant and reproductive protection boost. The high levels of allicin and selenium in garlic fight oxidative stress, protecting the cellular integrity of your reproductive system.